Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mavide and Pazzo.
Byo kwanga gukora ntago ari byiza mani. Haguruka vuba, haguruka. Ugiye gukora kandi abantu tubasetse akira. Tangira wibwira abantu vava. Nibikunaniye kubasuhuza basuhuze mu giciro bibiri.
Abantu kari benshi.
Tuza. Hey. Breathe in, out. You steady? Steady? Yeah? What is it? Ufite brages?
Basuhuze mu byiciro
bibiri.
Bagabanye mu bice bibiri.
Bagabanye mu bice bibiri.
Kamera ino. Manishim. Aba naba.
Nabahari.
Aba.
None si ikintu nakubazaga. Ibyo ari byose wagize ubwoba kuko tutateguye pe.
Yego.
Ufite blagues hari utekereza kurimo.
Noneho kubera muri GEN-Z comedy ari benshi. Blagues zarabuze.
Seriously?
Blagues zabaye.
Ubu tugiye gushya.
Subonye nababaje bataye.
Na blague nimwe mu mutwe wawe ufite.
Ariko afite blague. Merci yatwica n'igishego.
N'igishego ya umva. Umva. Ino show ica kuri televiziyo irebwa n'abana.
Kefito.
Niba ari igishego kihore.
Ariko wisobanuye naga yabiri igishego.
No, ugiye kuyimbwira banze numve niba atari igishego.
None se ubunda bigenza ne kugira ngo ubwoba bunshiremo.
Ufite ubwoba?
Urimo urabakuba kabiri nawe.
Nuvuga blague birashira. Nuvuga blague birashira.
To develop a blague?
To develop a blague.
Okay. Pazzo.
Biri kuza. Zana blague sasa.
Pazzo mfite idea kuri blague. Sinzi nimba muri GEN zizakora.
Wewe turayidevelopa nta kibazo.
Ntari. Urabona ukuntu yishyiramo.
Kamera zimufate wenyine.
Pazzo nakubwiye ni si igishego gukomeretsa arabyanga. Ariko bigusaba kwisobanura.
Bro aka kazi niko konyine ngira. Konyine. Ngakomeza naga ari igishego.
Oya uyisobanuye.
Okay.
Sasa urabona ukuntu yishyiramo. Uyishyiramo ikonje.
Inyi.
None wayikuramo. Hello. Ibishyushye.
Yo blague ntabwo yakora muri GEN-Z. Ntabwo yakora muri GEN-Z.
Ni sharijeri.
Are you sure? Okay.
Reka nyisobanure. Urabona ukuntu ushyira sharijeri muri telefone.
Nari nkombye akazi. Oh yes.
Sasa yishyize sharijeri muri telefone. Uyishyiramo ikonje. Yo umuriro urimo kwinjira yuyikuyemo ku gatwe. Agatwe ka sharijeri. Nyine agatwe ka sharijeri. Kaba gashyushye.
Aho gana yumvereza cyane. None yawe roro.
Ushobora gukora igishego muri GEN-Z.
Nushobora.
Noneho urabona hari ukuntu abantu bakoresha nabi sharijeri. Ukayishyiramo ukayikuramo ukayishyiramo.
Kwa kundi uri kwitaba
ukuraho telefone ukongera ukayicomeka WhatsApp call. Uzo sharijeri igiye kurangiza.
Irangiza iki buretse gato.
Nyine irangiza iki? sharije irangiza kubera kuyicokoza nyine ntago ari igishego sibyo rata nibyo nabitekereje ubuse muri GEN-Z zakora
ntago yakora iyo brag uvuze brag cyangwa sharije yahiye se yakora iti brag
ni sharije yashye brag yakora
hari nindi ako sinzi ukuntu itekerezaho
irabitari igishego Merisi yatwirukana
urabona nyine haryo bavuga sharije hari ninuza none uyishyizemo
nawe uri mu gushyiramo nawe uri muri developer yayindi
ntabwo ndi kudeveloper yayindi njye bira gusaba gutekereza kujya wumva ino brag tuzayikubite muri GEN-Z iyo uyishyizemo iba yumye
oya kamera nawe zigufata wenyine
garukana
iyo uyishyizemo ngiba
garukana ubanze wumve brag sinaguteza amatwi ubanze wumve brag wayikuramo bro
okay subira mu ngo
yishyizemo iba yumye
iyo uyishyizemo iba yumye wayikuramo ikabitose
bazanga
inyi
isi bombo ntago yumye suyibona neza
irumye
kabiki
nkarita ziratuze
kabiki
umutoso
ntago byemewe njye naguhaga brag njye nzajya nguha brag bro
iri kote rero maze iminsi narifura naba nihemuki ubwo se we ibintu bo wafashe kuva mu gitondo
n'umweru nayishyizemo yonyine sawa
wizera umwana w'umuntu avumwe
sasa rero twaje hano kuzano dukoresha transport zitandukanye akaba abantu ni benshi usongene natinye kurira muri audience tuzano nyine dukoresha transport zitandukanye ase kuki gutitira mani
abantu ni benshi
tuzano dukoresha transport zinyuranye nyine tu ariko mbere ko tujye kuri ibyo bintu turi muri monde ya depression
pazo ukoze hasi unyibutse ibuye urubyiruko rw'iyi minsi ntuwongeraho nje urubyiruko rw'iyi minsi rufite depression wagira ngo ni imboga bateye ziramera
cyane ariko umuntu wese ufite depression twe dutanga inama ku rubyiruko s'urwenya gusa hari ahantu hakumara depression niba ufite stress wumva neza ushaka kwiyahura ushaka no kurya uburozi ntugume mu nzu sohoka iwanyu ujya ahantu habiri tugiye kukubwira
hari ibintu ubundi ucya mo kugira ngo byumvikane
cyane
ya depression yose
ikagenda
igashira
cyane
icyambere pazo
ni saro zana intebe aho ngaho
kujya muri
saro haba story zo mu murenge wose na executive wa
story zo muri saro zivura depression bibaye ngombwa ko niyogoshesha
abakwaferi ashaka bari umugabo cyangwa umugore ko mwana ufite umusatsi mubi niziyo mikro yawe ntabwo ngiye ukeneye kuvuga aba ari kogosha bo uri kuvuga murokore si yafunguye iduka rizahomba si yabangiye kuje kuri kenkayori azahomba mbaza uti kubera iki uriya mugabo nubwo bavuga ngo ni murokore ariko ntabwo ari intungane pe ikintu cya mbere cyatuma adatera imbere ntabwo yishyurira abana uriya mugabo ntabwo yishyurira abana nubwo bavuga ngo ni murokore ariko ntabwo ari intungane ni indaya wasi yaje ashinga kenkayori wowe hano wogoshe sibyo azanye na botike nayo izahomba aho ngaho ni muri salo depression nyine aba ari story nyinshi pe sasa rero hari abandi bantu bita abamotari ufite depression cyangwa utekereza nabi tega moto ushaka amafaranga ushaka uyaguze cyangwa se unikopesha kubite kasike birangire
mota muraho ariko
ndemeze neza
akazi karagenda i Kigali
karagenda
none uriya mukobwa dutambutse w'umunyu ute
uriya sida sida yigendera uriya uza amago y'abahungu maze
mota reba imbere
uza amago y'abahungu maze kumutwara utazajya wa muhungu
umukobwa w'abantu mwise sida
njye maze kumutwara mu mago menshi mayi nka data
komeza ariko biraho nta kibazo mota
nta kibazo pe
ariko i Kigali irimo abakobwa beza
abakobwa ni beza cyane
yego
none nkanjye umumotari bavuga ngo abakire barya abakobwa we nabyo uzi wowe uzi abamotari nkorera ibihumbi 2 nkaba ngiye muri restaurant nkarya igihumbi
yego
aho ni saa 5 nkava muri restaurant nkagera nimugoroba bagakora ibihumbi 5 iyo ni sapa nkahita mpamagara wa mukobwa muri weekend ubwo kubaza ku munsi mana akora amafaranga agera mu 15 inyungu yo ku ruhande boss atarimo wa mukobwa akayakorera
none cungana niyo moto nyamuneka moto areba imbere
bya bindi bavuga ngo none umukobwa ngo uramutegera njya kumwizanira naramutahana abo ni abamotari
Pazzo no uvuze ku bamotari uranyibutse nigeze kugira ibyago ndimo kujya mu mugi mu mujyi ndimo kujya mu mujyi nshaka moto irabura nkabona arahetse nibyo ngiye kubona mbona hari umumotari anko
ubonye moto
salamu
sawa
ndamwitegereza wari wabona umumotari wambara rinete kirazira none ndebye mu kirahuri cya kasike mbona umukaritasi apfuye ijisho ndavuga yego nabuze moto ariko si ubu nkore iyi risike ngende ndavuga ni ayizuru ubundi hapfa wakoze iki
wapfuye
gapfa ijisho hapfa wakoze iki
wavutse
hapfa wavutse
uba uriye moto
ndayuriye ntitugiye
uriya moto ariko uriya moto uriya moto urongeye gutwara umumotari apfuye ijisho rimwe jyaho mavi
turagiye ntitugeze Rwanda Kimihurura ndabye imbere mbona zatse umutuku motari abaziciyemo mota ntabwo ureba ko zatse umutuku mota nyamuneka hagarara
reka natokowe n'umutuku rya jisho rimwe yari afite
yatokowe ntabwo mushaka kumenya ukuntu nkuru uyu munsi yanjye yarangiye mbega motari ntuzatega umumotari ureba urya kirazira
noneho turi mu bintu byo mu muhanda hari abantu bita aba traffic police
bivuga mu kinyarwanda nk'uha amafaranga vuga traffic police mu kinyarwanda dore ko ntagira amafaranga nyamuneka
polisi ya traffic
direct translation
iyo ari umunyarwanda abanyarwanda twubaha inzego z'umutekano hano muri Afrika mu Rwanda dufite umutekano utandukanye n'ahandi hantu hose kuko tugiye gukoresha experience yo mu Rwanda turimo no muri Uganda twabayemo iyi ngiyi urayikoresha nk'imodoka
ntware
twara
harya imodoka kankatenganisha
abo mu Rwanda baranza bakakuzenguruka imodoka yose
mwiriwe afande
fasha imbobo hano over
mwiriwe afande
umeze neza
muraho afande akazi karagenda
carte jaune na permis
nta no gusuhuzanya afande
nta kibazo
afande nta kibazo rwose nsanzwe ntwara usibye ko urupfu rutwara abantu nari mfitemo ikibazo muri asiranse yanjye ejo bundi mu rugo tugira ibyago inzira nshya
katukwandikira wakiriye
ko munyandikiye dupfuye iki
asiranse nayo ufite
inzu yo mu rugo yarahiye afande ihiramo asiranse ariko ndimo nabikurikira bagiye kumpa indi asiranse
wowe asiranse niba yiguza ajyana ku gapapuro no kuri polisi ikindi ntabwo wanyoye
oya ntabwo sinjya nywa buriya niyo nyoye nywa amazi nk'itorosha
kuki uza mu muhanda utiboroshe
afande ariko ibyo ni ibintu bindeba ku buzima bwanjye ntabwo ari ikinyabiziga
uwo ni uwo mu Rwanda
noneho niyo bibaye ngombwa ko arya amafaranga aguha mesaje reba mesaje nta ruswa mu Rwanda Karibu muri Uganda. Hello.
Hey, what's up?
Why are you so quick?
Hey, Afande, how are you?
First of all, let me make myself clear. Why are you rushing?
Afande, I got some stress, you know.
Did the queen die again?
Hey! No, Afande.
Then why are you rushing?
I have some stress.
First of all, I don't need an explanation. I'm on duty.
Hey.
Do you get me right? Don't see me this funny, smiling, and you think I'm your brother. I'm here for the purpose of the government. What if we knocked a person there?
I didn't.
What if Mercy was crossing idiot today?
I didn't.
You didn't? Are you trying to scare me? Hello? Me, I'm on duty. Do you understand when
Afande.
I'm on what?
Duty.
Don't mess up. I'm on what?
Duty.
Duty.
Hey.
I'm on what?
Duty.
I'm on duty. I'm on what?
Duty.
Good. What's your name?
Opio.
Opio. Do you have all your senses?
Eh?
I don't repeat myself, I'm not a radio.
License. I got the license.
Do you have all your senses?
Eh? I have one sense. Common sense.
You can't drive a car with 4-5 gears without a sense. That's why you're rushing as if like arrow. When I'm talking, get me clear. When I'm talking, I don't want anyone to stammer. So simply shut the fuck up. We are trying to be simple, but when you give me headache, I can even kill you.
Okay, Afande, okay.
So this is your plate number.
Yeah.
Your behind has an issue.
Which one?
Look in front.
Which one?
I mean your behind. Turn around, idiot. Hello, sit your ass down. So as I was saying, what's your name again?
Opio Clemenyo.
Opio, you're from northern Uganda?
Yes.
You must be my brother or a bastard. Any?
Your in-law?
No. In northern Uganda, if you're not a brother to someone, then your father did something else from another mother, then you are a bastard. But I'm not saying that you are what? However, you look like what? Nice. Now, your plate number has an FU. Do you mean FU or what? No! I said when I'm talking, I don't want anyone stammering.
Okay, Afande.
You understand?
Yes, Afande.
Your plate number has FU. What does that mean? I'm not sure we're coming any ideas anytime. Hello. Allow me, hello. We planned here something, so don't mess up with our joke. Because when you talk, I can forget. So as I said, I don't want anyone stammering. Focus and laugh. Hello, idiot.
Yes.
As I said.
Yes.
Bastard. So this FU means the audience is also not understanding. But anyway. So. Have you even visited the car wash?
The car wash?
Yeah, you're smelly, personally. Do you know what they call personal hygiene?
Yes.
What does that mean?
The cleanliness of the body.
Good.
Yes.
After all, you're not a bastard.
Hey.
So how do you think that you don't have general cleaning? Then your car smells like there's a dead rat inside.
A dead what?
Get out of the car.
Hey.
You think this is a joke?
Hey.
On your knees.
Hey.
I'm a police officer.
Hey.
And I'm on duty.
Afande.
Hello.
Okay.
Don't say anything.
Okay.
Don't breathe. Don't blink. Why were you running? I said, hello.
Yes, Afande.
Get me clear. Hello, I'm on duty. I'm on what?
Duty.
And I enjoy this. So I said, don't blink. Don't breathe. Don't say anything. Why were you over speeding?
Afande, I got some
I
money.
said, hello, English. Is English your issue?
No?
Now, when sometimes when we don't take seriously, you know, in Uganda, every year a police officer is allowed to kill 2 people. So don't. Hello. I told you.
Can I bring?
I mean, hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
I'm allowed to kill 2 people, and it's almost December. I haven't killed any idiot.
Can I bring my brothers?
Do you have a family?
Yeah.
Get up.
Yeah.
Turn around. Do you know what this means? It's what?
It's a gun.
I can shoot you.
Hey.
Oh, it's looking at me. I can shoot you.
I know.
Come here.
Hey.
Now, in Uganda, I know how we do it. Anything to offer? Now, Opio. Where are you from?
Afande!
Opio, you look like my brother.
Hey.
I remember.
Hey. Afande!
Opio.
Yo.
Opio.
Yes, Afande. We are MAVIDE na PAZZO.
Thank you very much.